When I get older, losing my hair, not many years from now, will you still be sending me a Valentine? Greetings, bottle of wine. When I've been out till 2:45, would you lock the door? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? יום הולדת שמח, מעיין.
יום הולדת שמח, יובל.
מזל טוב!